Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for checking it out. This is a part 3 of my electric mini bike series. In the first portion of the video, you'll see Sam and I do this EV meetup in Oceanside, and two groups came together, one being LA ESK8 and the other being SD ESK8. Came together and formed like a massive group, and we did this takeover out in Oceanside. So we had a blast. The bikes held up well. They were super fun to ride, and everything went great. The second portion of the video, we do another long ride. Sam and I, we go to Downtown Riverside, and we did about 22 miles, 11 miles there and 11 miles back. And towards the end of the ride, just as we're getting into the close to home, a crucial component broke on the mini bike, and it was due to my installation error, but you can check that out, like I said, on the second portion of the video. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you want to see more stuff like this, I'm definitely going to continue to make videos. So yeah, thanks for checking it out, and take care. Okay, woke up to a windy day in Jurupa Valley. No surprise. So we're gonna head out to Oceanside. There's an EV meetup out there. We're gonna take the Dingo and the Mini Limmy. What do you say, Sam? We're gonna mash out or what?
Yep, we're gonna mash out.
Floor it?
Yeah.
Pedal to the metal? Thumb to the plastic? Made it to Oceanside. All 72 volts. All right, gonna take the bikes out. Just finished Dingo number 2. Or what do you call it, Sam?
Dingo 2, man.
Dingo 2, Prototype 2.
Prototype, man. Getting better, getting cleaner. Just lubing it up. Gotta lube your chain. Always remember, lube your chain.
All right, so Saturday, me and Sam went on a wild ride, 22 miles. And this bracket, I put 2 bolts. They're supposed to be 4, and I cheaped out and I skipped that little guy. And I think what would you say, the torque or the tension that the chain put on this side made it crack the weld. I'm gonna cut this so we can do either some quick disconnect or I don't know what yet, but so we can remove this easier because I wired it through here. Oh no! What's that? Voila! Oh yeah, it was the bracket. Look at.
Yeah. Cause it's not like the other ones. There's a lot of going on. I thought this on the other one, the outer skin comes off. But on this one,
We just slid that out just with our hands.
brute force.
I grabbed this cap and I literally just pulled it straight out. And this is what we're left with.
Con huevos, güey. No, that thing's pressed, dude.
We're not gonna pull this out because it looks like they probably use a machine to push it in here. And then when I get home, I gotta do all those little guys.
Does it get hot? Let me know if it gets hot.
I'll let go once it gets hot. I'm on fire! Okay, back to the other corner.
Doesn't want to stay. body. Oh, no.
Really?
Ow! Don't do
It's not smoking in there?
No.
No smoke? Okay.
A lot of heat right now. Oh, look, let me explain to you how this works, dude. The cone ship creates a Venturi effect. The Venturi effect creates like a cone cyclone, hot to cold, into the motor, and it cools the motor down.
What school did you learn that at?
Happy days.
Mhm.
All right, kids. So right here, like I explained, Venturi effect. This is gonna cool the motor a lot better, so we won't have any broken brackets.
Great.
Then right here, what I did here, it was a double penetration from the front and the back. Make sure I penetrated both ways, so it won't break. Now it should be solid.
Perfect. Should be pretty good. I'm still gonna run it with 3 bolts because I need to do some other fabrication to where this motor sits. It with the frame that I'm using, the plate, there's no metal there for a bolt to drop through, so I just left it. And I thought, well, there's 3 big bolts in it to hold into place, and it did for about 80 miles. And then at the end of a 23-mile run, it completely cracked on me. But while Sam was welding the casing and letting it cool down, I took it upon myself to add some larger vent holes for the motor. So I'm hoping for some better airflow there. It was cool to see. There was one guy at the last meetup we went to. He actually made he bent a piece of metal or fabricated like a little scoop on it. So he drilled the holes in just like this, added a little scoop so it's sucking the air, and then push it out on the other side. So probably be doing something like that too, because these get pretty hot. And then, you know, you want to ride during the summer, but of course you probably go out during the mornings or the evenings. But still, on those longer rides, these things get hot. Then I put the chain back on. We're back in business, camping this weekend. So I want to take this thing out.